In today's video, I will teach you how to turn architecture photos into cyberpunk-style images using AI. Let's get started. Cyberpunk aesthetics feature futuristic cityscapes, neon lights, reflective surfaces, and high-tech elements. Using AI, you can transform ordinary architectural photos into vivid cyberpunk worlds in minutes. To do this, open ChatGPT in your browser, then log into your free account. Then click the plus icon in the prompt box, then select Create Image to access AI image generation. Now click the plus icon again, then choose Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl-U on your keyboard. Then select the architecture photo from your computer, and make sure to choose images with clear lines, open space, and visible structures for best results. And now we're going to write your prompt. And here, make sure to be very specific about the cyberpunk elements. Here are some good prompt examples. You can include neon lighting colors, futuristic modifications, atmosphere, time of day, and architectural enhancements. And once your prompt is ready, press enter to let the AI generate your cyberpunk style image. Then wait a few seconds to a minute, depending on the complexity of your photo. And once the image has been generated, click on it to make adjustments. Minor adjustments improve realism and help integrate elements naturally. But take note that the free ChatGPT plan only allows up to 5 image generations per day, so upgrade your plan to generate more images if needed. Now hover over the final image, then click download to save it to your computer. And you can also click share to post it on social media. And here are some tips for best results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.